Ever asked ChatGPT to list your favorite movies and got a giant blob of text? Let's fix that. You can force ChatGPT or Gemini to give you structured outputs in tables, JSON, XML, even spreadsheets. And here's the kicker: you don't need to code at all. This technique is called structured output, and it's a foundational skill in prompt engineering. What is structured output? Structured output means telling AI how to format its response. Want a clean list? Say, return a JSON with title, year, rating. Want a table? Try, format the answer as a markdown table with columns for name, price, rating. Why do this? Easier to copy into Google Sheets, reduces hallucinations, works great with apps, plugins, or automation tools. Wait, what is JSON? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It's a universal way to format and exchange data using key-value pairs. Think of it like a digital spreadsheet with labels, easy to read, easy to use. JSON is used in everything, from websites and apps to marketing dashboards and content planning tools. If you can master prompting AI to output clean JSON, you can connect that output to tools you already use. Marketing example, prompt. Return JSON with campaign name, spend, conversions, ROI. Result, data you can drop right into your dashboard. Content creation. Example, prompt. Create 3 video hook ideas. Return JSON with hook, emotion, target audience. Now you're sorting creative ideas by relevance and emotional impact. Education example. Teachers ask, make a JSON quiz with 3 questions. The result imports into quiz tools, done in seconds. Healthcare example, prompt. Format this patient note into XML with clean, structured medical data. Finance example. Fix this Python error and return JSON with error, fix explanation. Now even non-coders can debug code. SEO example, prompt. Give blog titles in a table with title, tone, keyword. Feeds right into your content calendar. HR example, prompt. Create a job post with title, requirements, salary range. No messy formatting. E-commerce example, prompt. Return JSON for 5 products with name, category, price, features. Feeds into Shopify or Airtable. Pro tips, use schemas. Define what fields you want. Say return JSON. Don't leave it vague, validate it. Use JSON lint if something breaks. Keep prompts clean. Avoid mixing structure with paragraphs. Your turn. Try this. Return JSON with name, use case, complexity for 3 AI tricks. Drop your results in the comments. Like what you learned? Smash that like button, subscribe, and grab the free structured output cheat sheet linked below. Prompt engineering isn't just for coders. It's a language, and anyone can speak it.